for this Vegas team. Good hands by Prince, coming in with a steal after Bird stood up swords. Bird, no look. Stewart able to finish off the window. Comes Sue Bird at 6 assists in the first quarter, second most ever in a WNBA Finals frame. And Bird reverses it home.
Oh, they tried to trap her on the side.
McBride will heave, no. Bird the rebound, dishes down before to Lloyd. Beautifully done. Bird to Lloyd for the bucket.
The vocal leader, the player, I mean, she put the team on her back in the stretches throughout the course of the semifinal series. Today, her hands full, trying to defend.
Bird finds Stewart. Stewart on the run, lays it in. You know, regression to the mean and play again, Rebecca. Angel gets stood up by Stewart, then threw it to Bird. Vegas turns it over. Here comes Howard down the lane off the Bird feed, lays it in.
Hit a couple mid-range shots. She is most dangerous in transition or when she gets downhill. Always a bonus for Vegas if she can hit jumpers.
Bird, a three is good. Sue Bird, and it's a three-point Vegas lead.
And this is how Vegas made their push in game one in the third quarter. Getting out in transition.
Bird connects on a three.
Those are two very interesting playoffs.
Fourth quarter of a finals game. Bird in the corner, another three.
Time they missed Russell wide open inside.
Bird dumps it into Russell, and Russell will finish that one.
Sue Bird's not going to miss you. If you're wide open, Sue Bird will find you.
Angel McCautry. Bird, no look to a running Howard for two.
How many times have we seen Sue Bird do that already in these finals? First two possessions for Vegas, they were putting the ball in Angel McCautry's hands. They do need her to get going on the offensive end. Sue Bird getting going for Seattle.
I mean, he's not an easy guy to predict what makes him smile anyway, but I'm just sure that one.
Nice, Bernie.
In the corner, Lloyd connects on a three.
Yeah, yeah. Tricky.